Today I have a Macbook laptop charger, and this charger rating is output voltage is 14.85 volt, 3.50 ampere. This charger is not working with the laptop. This connector is damaged, and today I will change this cable. Today I will show how to open this very easily. Okay, let's start. Okay, one side is open and I need to open the another side. Finally I open this. This is our circuit. Okay, now I am just changing the cable and this connector from here and from here. This is very quality full product, and this cable condition is very bad, and that cable damaged, and I will use another cable from another old laptop charger, and this one. And this one is negative and this one is positive. Okay, and I have a cable and this cable also, and this one is negative and this one is positive, and black color is negative, white color is positive. Okay, and if you want to oversure and this cable negative or positive connection, and here is a one way to checking this. Keep your mobile on ohmic position, and you can see here, and here is a capacitor, and this capacitor mark is negative. Okay, you just hold your meter negative side and touch the black wire. Okay, this is showing short. This point is negative, this is 100% sure, and this one is positive. Okay, Okay viewers, setup is complete. Let's check this.